Talking with presiding judge Pat Joyce. Unfortunately, we have had a person, an employee here, who has tested positive for COVID. So obviously, that means changes, right?
Exactly. Pursuant to the Supreme Court rule, they've said statewide that if you have an employee testing positive, you go back to phase 1 or phase 0. Because of the circumstances of it, we're going to go to phase 1, where we will have some in-person hearings, but they'll be extremely limited.
Okay. And just so that we can clarify a few things, from what we understand, the person that did the employee, it was not contracted, the virus was not contracted through her work or their work here. Is that right?
Exactly. We feel confident that she did not, that employee did not pick them up here, and she had very limited contact with any of the public either. So no need to panic. If you've been in the courthouse, of course, we'll certainly answer your questions, but it was just a very limited time, and hopefully her health will improve, and that'll be the only episode we have here.
How long do you anticipate, or is there any way to anticipate how long we'll be at this phase?
We'll be at least 2 weeks, 14 calendar days before we can move to the next phase, and we're hopeful that will happen soon with that.
Gotcha. Now, obviously, you have taken, the mandate of masks has been in place for a few months now, and also we've done the barriers and other measures have been put in place. Those will stay in place for the immediate time being, I guess.
They have been in place since I think the end of March. We started putting with mandatory masks. We've kept people 6 feet apart. We've done extra cleaning. We do contact tracing. So anybody that's been in the courthouse, we know where they went, what courtroom they went to, and all that will continue. I think it's a safety precaution to keep our citizens safe because they have to come to the courthouse. They don't have a choice.